Hi, my name is Regina. I'm the owner of EmbracingAbundanceGlobally.com. Are you looking to earn income on the side? Are you wanting to become self-employed and work for yourself? Or are you just looking for something different that you would like to try? I have a business and I want to invite you to sign in at my website at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com. My business is a completely done setup. You can just plug in. We have a completely done website that will be available for you once you sign in my website as a partner in membership partnership agreement. We use the model of franchising, but you only have to purchase the business once and then you can have the rights to do your business for life. You also have to sign in for membership, and that membership is only one time, and that is all good for life. Our business is the low startup cost, and it can be a legacy to your children and your children's future. If you are someone who is wanting to achieve a better life and get out of the struggles of the ups and downs of unpredictable income, then this business is for you. Check us out at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com. And if you sign into my website, I will connect to you and invite you to come and tag along with me as my VIP guest to check out exactly you can see inside what we do and how do we pay ourselves. We'll see you there and bye for now.